Okay, here we have the garage. I've got my new lawnmower, my IZY. We're just about to put some petrol in it, check the oil and start her up. Okay, filled it with oil. I'm going to crank it over with the plug off now, just to make sure everything's okay. And we're going to go for fire up. Okay, all pre-checks done. We're now going to go for our first little powered drive down the drive. Right, we're going to check the oil level now, make sure everything's okay. Okay, good news, all's good. Power drive works very well, engine starts first time every time. I'm fairly happy waiting for my first grass cutting.